Hey there everyone, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm doing an unboxing. Okay there, so let's get started. First up is Thoughtful Moments Hybrid Embossing Folder, and it cuts out the words as well as embosses them. I can hardly wait to try this out. Might help if I can turn it around to the correct end. So that's the embossing folder, and then this is the die part of it. Oh, plus some extra cute little flowers and stars, a little rainbow. Oh, that is stinking adorable. Here I thought it was just words. It's quite easy to miss in the new catalog that comes out in January, but it's on page 18. Love these fonts. This will be so much fun to play with. And next up is Enduring Beauty Decorative Masks. And this does a flower that looks similar to a poppy, in my opinion, because of those centers. There's the leaves, more leaves, and an outline. There's also a matching stamp set to this, but I did not get the stamp set. One of my favorite embellishments in the catalog, iridescent foil gems. I don't know if you can see that, but that little sparkle on those, they're clear, but they have iridescent gems inside of them. Kind of like those paperweights. Super cool. Thank you, Oh, I did not order this. This is a free gift, a little pack of basic white cardstock. How cool is that? Rockstar dies. We have a lot of musicians in our family, so this is perfect. And there's also, there should be, I ordered the matching stamp set. Here it is. And it's called Rockstar. My husband is a drummer, amongst other things. So this drumstick will be perfect. And we have a lot of singers in the family, love this microphone. And this is gold foiled flowers, cards and envelopes. I love getting cards and envelopes that are card bases and envelopes that are already set to go. And I wanted these because I love the cutout on the envelope flap. Super cool. And then the card bases are these gold foiled flowers. And again, these look like poppies to me. Maybe not, but that's what I'm going to call them because I love poppies. And some type of mum potentially. So it's actually a nice variety of flowers on here, not all one kind. Some daisies. And I bet this will go very well with these masks. Love that things coordinate. Makes things way easier. And then this is a celebration item with some nice all-purpose greetings for lots of different holidays. many events. And we're gonna save that for last. Here is the Rockstar paper. So that's like a whole suite. I did not get the little stickers or embellishment thingies. So we have guitars. Oh, look at this black and white patterns. These are really cool. Love, love, love. Fabulous abstract ones as well as ones that are not. This looks like boombox and record player. Perhaps sound waves or something like that. Oh, look at these papers. So much texture. Fantastic black and white. This one looks like, it looks like paint, I think. For a second, I thought it was marble, but not. Great black and white patterns. And then this is a celebration paper. A free choice with every $50 in product ordered starting in January. So gold foil on one side. So there's all these little hearts and flowers. And then I believe it's real red. Yeah, real red and flirty flamingo. Look at this pattern. Oops, and I've got two of them here. This is the back side. So look at these marbled patterns. Oh, and this gold. Cute plaids. This is fantastic paper. And more hearts. Roses. And hearts. Oh, this is so cute. Love this pattern. And that one. I thought the marble was my favorite, but I don't know. It's gonna be hard to... And I actually got two of those. I loved it so much. I think I'll be making Valentine cards with that. And this is a perk of signing up to be a demonstrator. This can be one of your options in your kit. And it's the Stampin' Glass Mat Accessories. So this is a silicone piece that you can mix colors in. This is like a microfiber cloth for cleaning the glass mat. And then this is the glass mat. Oh wow, look at this. This is fantastic. So what you can do is pop that on there so you can have your palettes ready to go. You can put your ink even right on here, wipe it off with your chamois. It's very, very sturdy. I love that it's got the markings underneath, both imperial and metric. And little feet on the back. So there you have it. So let me know if you'd like to know how to get your own glass mat. Thanks for watching. Bye.